applying this cream to deal with these, I don't know whether they're rashes or what they are, but they have been there for a period of an year now. Yeah. So my prayer is that they'll clear out, because they're really bothering me now. And actually I'm tired of having to answer a question, hey, what did you do to your face? What did you change? I'm trying to get the best capture. Yeah. I actually do not apply anything on my face. I don't do makeup, but I think probably it's I don't know. I've thought about it, but clearly I've not come up with a better answer for it. Yeah. So it's given this cream here. It's benzoyl peroxide. This is what I'm applying. Let's see the results. Let's wait for the results.
Eventually.
Hi guys, so this is me after applying benzoyl peroxide on my face, on my skin for a period of 1 week. In my previous video you'll see that I had rashes all on my forehead, and there were too many. They have been there for a period of like 1 year. I didn't know what to do. So one day I went to a chemist and I talked to a pharmacist, and she told me, try these, and this is the outcome. They actually cleared on my forehead. The only part that was remaining, just a few on my cheeks, and just a few. So these are recommendations, guys. If you have been having such rashes, try it. Try benzoyl peroxide. Yeah, they'll give you the instruction how to apply them. So me, I used to apply in the morning and in the evening, and this is the outcome. I love it. My face is back, my usual smooth face. So ladies, don't struggle with those rashes, acne or whatever. Try benzoyl peroxide and you will not regret. Hope this helps someone. Cheers.